Guys, this is what I'm using to season my fish. I love this sankofa seasoning. Guys, so I'm gonna make some peanut soup, like quick one, like shabu shabu soup. So I have my meat in here. Guys, I look in my freezer and I have like meat that I've put in the freezer, that maybe sometimes I have too much. Whenever I have like too much meat that I cook, I just meat or fish or turkey, I put some in the freezer for time like this, that when I don't have enough meat. I usually like to cook my peanut butter soup with fresh hard chicken, the chicken, but I couldn't go to the place for them to kill the fresh chicken for me, so I'm just putting together I have some baked turkey that I have here, and some beef, and I have some fish. This fish that I'm gonna bake, I'm gonna put some in there. I'm just gonna put a little bit of every meat that I have in here, because I don't want it to get waste. Yeah, so I'm gonna put a little bit of all the meats that I have together and just make like a quick soup right now. It's still Sunday. It's Sunday. I'm starting a new vlog because I don't want the vlog to be long. We just came from sClub and Costco. So did I say Costco? No. Guys, I wish today was Saturday, because I just feel like I have a lot to do that I haven't finished, that I didn't finish. So anyway, I'll be okay. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna make my peanut butter soup quick. Daniel and my husband and Daniel went to get a haircut, so it's just me and Lucy in the house right now. Guys, my blender is smoking. This is my favorite blender. Like, I've had this for like 8 years. Hey guys, Friday morning on my way going home, and I stopped at a store. I forgot to buy onions when I went to Walmart and sClub. So I just came from onions, and then I remember, I don't have enough bay leaf, and I bought some bay leaf. I always like to go to the Mexican section to buy my bay leaf because it's cheaper, and you get and it smells real. It smells real, like it's good. So I like this brand. Yeah, but I ended up picking more than more than I went there to get. Hi guys, hi my beautiful friends. Guys, today is Friday. I didn't pick up my camera since I came from Walmart, sClub. So right now it's left with me and my sweet Lucy. Lucy, she just get mommy, right? My daughter Lucy, she just understands me. She just know that like I need her to sleep a little bit longer, like sleep later. Don't wake up, like wait till mommy's like ready for you. You know, like she go to sleep, and when she sleeps, she wakes up late in the morning. She's not like a morning, she's not a morning person, just like her mom. But Daniel's like, I'm ready for you, mom. Like as soon as I open the door, he's sitting there with a smile on his face. He's like, I'm ready for you. Yes, let's play. I'm like, yeah, that's what Daniel is. But yeah, guys, let me tell you what I forgot to show you when I went to sClub, guys. I didn't even see it, but I was going to pick up some. We were going to check out, and then I saw it. I was like, yes, guys, look at what it was, two together, and I think it was $15. It was $15. That's what I saw together, guys. Look, this, I think, which one am I using? Yeah, I'm using this one. As soon as I came home, I pulled it out and I put it in my shower. Like, guys, I love good shower and I love good smelling body wash. That's like my thing. Summertime, I like to have like 4 body wash, but I like to get I like to have a good one that the whole family we can use for the kid. But guys, you know, Olay have nice stuff, like Olay. So I always go with the Olay, Aveeno, Jergens, and Nivea. So, and Dove. So I like Crest sometimes for me. But yeah, guys, I was using this for the winter time, and one is gone. This goes a long way, guys. I'm a sClub girl, and my twin sister, she's a Costco girl. She shop at Costco all the time, and then my other sister, she shop at BJ's. Guys, I love sClub because sClub you always get like, I'm talking about like their pants, like the kids sweatpants. This winter I picked up a lot of sweatpants for the kids, and it's like the fabric is good and the quality is good. I love the fabric. It's like you wash and wash it, it's still the same. But guys, my summer is here. So every, like, I'm scheduling. I'm writing down like all the things that I can be doing with my family, you know, because I don't want to be standing here in like September and be like, oh my god, summer just left and I didn't do anything. Summer is gone, I didn't do anything. Like, I want to have fun. I make sure I have fun. And you know, you have to make sure, like, okay, this week we're gonna go here and then stick to it. Otherwise you just stay home with the kids and be yelling and not. You have to have fun. Like, New York City have a lot of great things, and yes, I want to make sure that I do all the I enjoy what New York City have for us. So yeah, we might go to Summer Stage this summer. Summer Stage is where they have concert, and is it what's this park's name? There's one in they do have Summer Stage in the Bronx on Fulton. Yeah, is it Fulton? I forgot the name of the park. Yeah, they do have Summer Stage. Yeah, Central Park have they have the Summer Stage in Central Park, and then the one in the Bronx, I forgot the name of the park. But yeah, so that can be a lot of stuff, guys. There's a lot of corners, spots, place in New York, if you live in the city, that you can be doing with your kids. You don't have to, like, if you don't have money for vacation, that's fine. Like, get the kids on the train, and like some of these kids, you put it, I do this sometimes. I just put them on the train, and we ride the train all the way to the end, and then we come back, or we'll ride on the bus all the way, and then we'll come back, because they love stuff like this, you know. Or just like push them on the stroller. So yeah, guys, um what else do I want to say? I hope I don't forget. And later. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Enjoy your life. Bye bye.